Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan out the month of June. So I'm going to be doing a slightly different monthly spread. Plan with me. This spread is still going to look the same, but my June spread, which is all the way over here that I haven't even tabbed out yet, is going to be for my 30 inks 30 days in June. And what I'm going to be decorating the monthly spread with is the hot air balloons collection from my shop. So I have this printed on premium white mat, and I have the quote and washi, the hot air balloons deco, and then the circles. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is add these big circles for decoration. And I actually really like the, here we go. I like the premium white mat. I love my clear mat, don't get me wrong, but I also do love a little bit of the white mat every now and again. Then I'm going to place something similar on this side here. Oops. And I don't want to do too much decorating down at the bottom, just because I know that I will need some space to include my stats. And then I'm going to place a hot air balloon here and a teeny one over here. And then, because there's so much space up here, I almost wonder, no, that's okay. I was gonna say, I almost wonder if I should do that up at the top, but I think this washi will go really well there. Though I may not need to use all, no, I'm gonna just make it stretch across all the way through. Perfect. Okay, so then really decorating this portion is really easy, because the next thing I'm going to do is going to write YouTube and IG on all of the days in the month, and then start to fill in the videos that I already have an idea of what I want to schedule. And this whole monthly spread really is about my social media, but also on the side, or down the side, left-hand side column, I also put down what stickers I want to decorate my weekly spread with. It helps me plan out my stash as well of stickers. So now that portion is done, I feel like I could add, I feel like I should put this down at the bottom, or this, but part of it would end up getting cut off. And I think I could get away with placing this here. It's a big sticker, but I don't mind. And then a few of these up here with, let's see, this one. I haven't used that one yet. Perfect. Okay, then I'm going to remove these out of the way. And these are sticky notes that I have from Stationery Pal. Okay, and then down here, I'm gonna write down my affiliate information and stats that I keep track of. And actually, it's a really simple spread to do. And then when I'm ready, I will add in all of the videos that need to be put in. But now we will go to the back in the daily page here, and I'll show you how I'm going to set it up for 30 inks 30 days. Okay, the first thing I've done is added a tab here. These are tabs that I sell in my shop. Now, I'm first going to draw out the grid for 30 inks 30 days, remembering that it's 5 across and 6 down, because there was one time I didn't do that. I did 5 and 5. Oh, anyway, so I'm gonna draw that first, and then I will decorate around it. So now that that is all done, I can put this down and put some of these stickers down. So I won't be putting down a like goals or anything like that for this particular monthly spread. And I also don't think that's gonna work. So I'm gonna cut these in half and then place them. Actually, you can place them like this on top. And then place one like so. Then maybe place this like this. Then I can place June. Oops. Like so. Oh, I like it. And then I could probably place one of these half circles. I feel like I should have done that in another color now, but that's okay. Place this here. Put this back over here. And then place one of those. Oh, it's not gonna fit up here. But I probably could add it down to the bottom. So I'm gonna add this here and then add one sticker like this. And it's of course not straight, neither is that one. Oh well. After a while you're kind of just like, oh, whatever. And place this washi all across the bottom. Then, let's see. I do just want to create like a little thing here of all of the, I'm not going to be able to use all of them. I might have to go back to the other page and add that. Yeah, but there's all these little ones that I'm just going to dot the spread with. Like that. And even a teeny tiny one. Move this. And I know a lot of you guys are curious about where I got these clips, but it was actually sent by a friend and I have no idea, unfortunately, where she got it. So I'm so sorry. Not trying to gatekeep or anything, but I literally don't know where she got it. Okay. I think that might be good for the page. Now, as I go through days 1 through 30 of 30 inks, I will fill in the ink color and then hopefully the pen as well. And then each day in June, I will be journaling with the particular pen and ink combination. So that is done. Let's go back to the monthly spread here and see if there's anywhere else that I could add these. Oh yeah, I could add for sure this up here. You know what, I'm gonna cover one. I don't know, I'm gonna lift one of these up. Yeah, and then add that there, perfect. Then I can add, let's see. I can add another one here and then one big one. I'll actually just put this one right down the middle because I don't normally post anything on Wednesdays anyway. All right, 3 sticker sheets finished and used. But yeah, that is it for me. So there is my monthly spread. I've put in my sticky tabs in there just so I'm still in the planning stages of it. That is my monthly spread for social media. And then my monthly spread for 30 inks, 30 days. And that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are interested in this collection, it is still available in my shop and you can use the code YouTube for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.